Hi, I'm Nick Gould from Mazzalel Factory Racing. I'm out here at Hartman Rocks in Gunnison, Colorado in order to get a little training in and preview some terrain before the 2023 Gunni Grinder. This area is a local favorite among mountain bikers, trail runners, dirt bikers, and more, but it also offers a wealth of opportunities for gravel riding with an extensive network of dirt roads. Although, I might sample a bit of the single track while I'm here too. Hartman Rocks offers a little bit of everything for everyone. So stoked to race around here, it's gonna be sick.